Hello, my name is Murray and I'm with Electronic Living here at this year's Brisbane Home Show. So come on down, you'll get to see this in person. But yes, we're into floral arrangements, but hidden within our floral arrangements is a stunning loudspeaker system. Whether you're looking for a satellite or a rock speaker, we have it all. If you're after irrigation control for your home or your acreage, come and talk to us and we'll be able to assist you. Also, if you're looking for vision outside or inside, we can do beautiful panels, bezel-less, so you haven't got a nice ugly frame around it. But again, come down and talk to us about that. Also within our beautiful stand, lovely made by a company called Eye Catchers, I'll give them a plug. We have a fantastic piece of technology called a mirror TV. So yes, most times when you have your TV and you turn it off, you get an ugly black box. But today, if I get my little automation happening for you, we can actually turn it off and have what we can see now is a stunning mirror that would look perfect over anybody's fireplace. In that beautiful room in your house where you have some lovely paintings, we can do it all. Over in here, we have a beautiful concept of a home theatre system. Come on down, feel our vibrating chairs, enjoy a piece of Bond history, enjoy the star ceiling, see why projection is the way to go with home cinema, not a TV.